everyone. Today I am here to discuss about neonatal reflexes, and first one is Moro reflex. It begins at 28 week of gestation and disappear after 6 months of age. So in Moro reflex, what happens when the examiner pulling the baby halfway to the sitting position from supine and suddenly let the head fall back, then what happened? There is rapid abduction and extension of arms with opening of hands and flexion of legs, and baby start to cry. This is the Moro reflex. Reflex is rooting reflex. When the examiner touch the cheeks and lip of the baby turn his or her face towards the stimulus and try to suck. The rooting reflex onset is 28 week of gestation and disappear 3 to 4 months of age. Next reflex is stepping reflex. Stepping reflex is also called walking reflex. So when the baby is held in upright with feet touching the floor, they will attempt to step in a walking pattern. This is the walking or stepping reflex, and it will disappear at 2 to 4 months of age. Second reflex is Babinski reflex. So in this, when the examiner stroke the lateral aspect of the sole from the heel to the ball of the foot, then we will see the big toe move upward or toward the top surface of the foot and other toes fan out. This is normal Babinski reflex, and it is present at the birth and disappear at 9 to 10 months of the age. If Babinski reflex present in later life, then it indicates there is neurological condition in the baby. Another reflex is parachute reflex. In parachute reflex, while infant is held in prone position and lowered quickly, he will extend his arm and leg. This parachute reflex appear at 6 to 9 months of age, and it never disappear. Reflex is doll's eye reflex. When the infant head is slowly turned, the infant's eye will remain stationary. And doll's eye reflex is also called oculocephalic reflex, and it will disappear at 3 to 4 months of age. Next reflex is Palmer or grasp reflex. So Palmer reflex begin at 32 week of gestation and disappear at 3 to 4 months of age. In Palmer reflex, light touch of the palm produces reflex flexion of the fingers. The most effective way of Palmer reflex is when the examiner slide the stimulating object, like it may be finger or it may be any pencil, across the palm from the lateral border. Then we will see the flexion of the fingers. So this is the grasp or Palmer reflex.